Well, look who's on patrol tonight. Dozer's patrolling. Me and him are actually just walking around, checking everybody out, making sure everybody's good. There's my girls. Hey, girls. Laying in a row right there. Look, all my chickens are in their little coop over there. Come on, Dozer. Let's see where's Cookie and Peanuts at. Cookie. There y'all are. What's going on? What's going on tonight? Whew. Oh, got you a little. We're gonna get in there, rake that tomorrow, put some fresh dirt in there. There's my Cookie. There's my Peanut. Look who we have here. That's Itsy. Looks like Fred. Who's that? That's Catitude. That's the little girl over there. Who's that? So hard to keep track of all these names. Are you scratching? Alright, y'all go back to bed. Itsy. There's Itsy right there. The BK bros are running around somewhere. There's Fred. Yeah, I know we got some weird names, but sometimes we let the grandkids name them and you get some pretty crazy names. So, all our baby birds, all the juveniles are in their brooder box. I think Tweety's right there. Alright, Tweet Tweet. The Tweety's right there. I really love coming out here at nighttime, just making sure everybody's okay. You see, they're all in their little sleeping quarters. Yep. So they're all in there. Went up for the night. Everybody's up for the night. There's my girls again. I don't know why they're laying over there. I just find a place that they lay down. You can put all the housing, hay, but they just get comfortable somewhere. That's what they do. That's who they are. So, look at this, guys. Look at all the kitty cats following me around tonight. Check that out, huh? Wow. They all walking around with me. Come on, guys. Come on, kick. Come on. Come on, kick. Come on. Yeah. Come on, Dozer. So we can go back this way. Everybody looks good. Woody, what you doing in there? Okay. Well, Woody's... I guess Woody's patrolling the yard over there. So this is where the goat should be sleeping under here, but I said they just... Come on, Dozer. Got a little mind at home. I kind of woke Cookie and Peanut up. Alright guys, go back to bed. Go on. There's a BK, brother. What you doing? What are you doing, BK? What you doing? Hey, come here. Come here. Say hello. Tell everybody, say hello. Say hello. Dozer. Such a good puppy. There's Scrappy. Come here, Scrappy. Scrappy. Come here, Scrappy. Guys, name of my channel is One Day at a Time. I guess you could call it one night at a time because I'm out here in the middle of the night checking on my babies. Just letting Dozer walk around. Doing a little perimeter check with him. So, just making sure everybody's okay. He's doing his thing, walking around. So, that being said, I'm gonna just ask y'all to like the channel, subscribe to us, share it, give us some thumbs up. We do have a lot of fun out here with our babies running around, and trying to show y'all what it is out here in the woods. Like that song, Country Boys Can Survive, right? So that being said, I guess we'll see y'all later. Thank y'all for doing life with us one day at a time. Even when we're doing our night walks and we're listening to the crickets and frogs and looking at the sky. So my wife's got these little lights in her garden. I think they're pretty cool. They're pretty. Got that going on and a little fountain looking thing. So we want to decorate this area a little bit more. But really use y'all help growing this channel, getting it going good. And yes, we do have a lot of critters around here to take care of and feed and love on. You can see all the eyes running around with us tonight. What you crying about? That must be another I don't know if y'all can see that, but that was another stray cat that's been running through the yard. So, oh, there's Nina. Nina, what y'all doing? There's another cat running up on us. And you know, guys, once you have a little farm like this and people see it, they'll usually stop and look up on this hill and see all this. And if they want to get rid of something, they usually drop it off somewhere around my gate or around the property. And then when it gets hungry, it comes up here, and especially another kitty cat. So anyway, we just take them in and feed them. Try to get them fixed and spayed or neutered, either one, and take care of them that way and make sure they're healthy. So that's what we do. We just take care of them. So, all right. We'll talk to y'all later. Thanks again.